Why outlets catch fire at night? Millions of homes have a hidden danger sitting inside their walls. Every night we plug in phones, fans, TVs, and heaters without thinking. But the most common time for electrical fires to start is while you sleep. And it begins inside ordinary household outlets. Welcome to ShockProof Living, where we expose the dangers inside everyday homes, so you can protect what matters most. At night, many homes use more electricity than you realize. Phones charging, space heaters running, fans blowing for hours, TVs and smart devices staying on standby. All of this creates a steady electrical load. If a circuit, plug, or outlet is damaged or overloaded, heat begins to build quietly behind the wall. Heat plus time is the beginning of an electrical fire. The number one cause of outlet fires is not the appliance. It is a loose outlet or damaged plug connection. When a plug is not tight, electricity does not flow smoothly. Instead, the current jumps or arcs, like a tiny spark. This spark can reach extremely high temperatures and ignite wood framing, insulation, drywall paper, dust, or curtains. These sparks are more dangerous at night because nobody is awake to notice early warning signs. Look for these danger signals: a warm or hot outlet, a burning smell near the wall, crackling or buzzing sounds, lights flickering randomly, loose or wiggling plugs, brown or black scorch marks around the outlet. Never ignore these warning signs. They mean arcing is already happening. An electrical fire can start inside the wall where nobody can see it. The wood framing and insulation can smolder for hours. By the time smoke reaches the bedroom at 2 or 3 a.m., the wall is already burning. Nighttime fires are deadly because they build slowly and silently. To protect your home, replace loose or damaged outlets. Avoid cheap or broken phone chargers. Keep bedding or curtains away from outlets. Do not overload power strips. If an outlet feels warm, stop using it immediately. If you ever see sparks or smoke, shut off power at the breaker and call an electrician. Electrical safety is not optional. Small warning signs can prevent major fires. In our next video, we will expose dangerous extension cords and outlet strips that cause thousands of house fires every year. Subscribe to ShockProof Living to protect your home from hidden electrical dangers. Safety isn't optional.